What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, because I really do appreciate it. And y'all, in today's video, I'm doing a few of Amazon, favorites of mine currently, and y'all know I'm going to link them down below, because hopefully they'll still be there, y'all, because you know how Amazon be. You'll be looking for something, then they be like a little poor dog that be like, unfortunately it's no longer available. So y'all, the first thing I came across is these cute headbands. Y'all know I love me a good headband. I'm always wearing one, not today, So y'all, 3 in a pack. They're jean. Y'all, I love me a good blue jean. Lately I've been trying to find me a good blue jean jacket. Purse. A blue jean purse. Cause y'all found me some dupe Converses. Y'all, they're so cute, and I bought them from H&M. So cute. And y'all, tell me this ain't cute. It comes in 2 different denims. And I even like the pearls. And I'm usually not a pearl girl. So you see it's like darkish, light. And this is kind of like a, I don't know, spackled type of denim with a little light wash with it. So cute. And then y'all, you know your girl's busty. So when it comes to wearing like crossbodies, sometimes I need a longer strap. Y'all, me always being cheap. I typed in purse straps under $5, and y'all, these came up. Let me open these. These are so cute, and they were $3.99 each. Hold on, because I want us to get the full look. And y'all, $3 each or $3.99 each. That's not bad for a purse strap. Especially the ones like these are patterns. And hold on, let me just cut this out. They're patterns. And they had other options, but these were the ones that I liked the most. So this one. This kind of reminded me of a stained glass window. So I was like, well, I gotta get this one. Y'all, this is so pretty. Oh yeah, this is long. Because this can go all the way to, oh yeah. This is long. I just want to see how long it goes. Oh yeah, this is a nice little length. I should be able to wear this like a crossbody, depending on the purse. If not, your girl got the chain extenders, and I could definitely wear this as a crossbody. The purse extenders, definitely get those if you're a little busty or if you're plus size. Definitely get the purse extenders. You basically attach the purse extender to where you would attach these loops on the purse, and then you attach the other side to this loop, and it extends the purse strap and it makes it more comfortable. Y'all, I had to get this little python color. So cute. I hope my grandma ain't watching. I should have gave her a forewarning. Y'all, my grandma hates snakes. Who? She do not like snakes. She does not. What happened to her? Oh, grandma, I'm about to spill your tea. But yeah, when my grandma was a little girl, and I believe she was at her aunt's house or her grandparents' house. want to say down south or something, or somewhere. And y'all, she was like basically chilling in the field. You know, back in the day, you know, you could chill in the field because kids literally back in the day would go outside to play. And I guess there was a snake out there, y'all, in the field, and she wasn't paying attention. And I think her aunt seen it, you know, afar and was telling her to run. Y'all, she ran up out of her shoes, my nana, because the snake was chasing her. So after that, she does not like snakes at all. Sorry, grandma, if you seen that. Sorry. But yeah, my grandma do not like snakes. Next thing, y'all, because until I get my car fully detailed on the inside, because I'm looking for someone to detail the inside, like vacuum it, clean the seats, you know, it ain't that much of a mess, but you know, sometimes stuff fall down or whatever. So I just temporarily, you know, got a little something to do, a little something, y'all. This little thing right here, it works. Because at first I had bought a cheap one. They say it ain't always good to go cheap, y'all. And that thing did not do anything. It would spit the stuff back as soon as it would pick it up. So y'all purchased this because I got carpet in my room. And I also got carpet on my stairs. So it's just like, nobody's trying to like lug around a big old vacuum cleaner or do it the old style way and just, you know, sweeping and stuff, because I've done both. Y'all, I got this little Black & Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean. Y'all, it works on my carpet and stuff. Everything. Especially like when I don't need a vacuum, but I just need to spot check, like say if there's something. So yeah, but the next thing we'll check and see if it works in the car. It should though, because if it work on carpet, that's the tester, because y'all know carpet is tough. So if it work on carpet, it should be able to work in my car, because I got like pebbles and stuff, y'all. I don't even be having people in my car. How do pebbles get in the passenger side other than my mama? Mama, we gonna have to go half and half on that detail, honey, because you be salting rocks in the passenger side, and I understand the driver's side, but at the passenger side. But y'all, my last thing, so I came across this purse on AliExpress. I actually ordered the purse. For some reason the sender didn't, you know, it didn't come across like what does it usually say? Item shipped. It never shipped. Like, it went past this time, it never shipped. They gave me my money back. So I was like, maybe I just don't want to get that purse. It was basically like a graffiti dupe Chanel purse in extra large size. It was cute. But then I went on AliExpress. They had Amazon, they had the same purse for like $50. I'm just like, on AliExpress I could have paid $25. Amazon want an extra $25, $50. I'm just like, do I really want to buy this purse for $50? I'm just like looking at it and stuff, and I'm like, I want the same print but something different. So y'all, I came across this bag. I thought this was so cute, because y'all know I love the purses that look like jackets. And y'all, tell me this ain't cute. This to me is so cute. You got the fringe, y'all. The fringe giving me really biker boys. This is so cute. It got pockets, and you see how this actually looks like a coat. The detailing is immaculate, y'all. This is so pretty. You can actually put stuff in the zippers. It even got the buckle like an actual leather coat. Let me see y'all, because I haven't worn it yet, but I plan on wearing it. So the back has straps, so you can actually wear this as a backpack. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know my long nails. And you can actually take the straps off at the bottom and the top. If you want to just, y'all, this is my cup clinging to the thing. And you basically use this part as the inside of the bag. And y'all, this is a lot of space. Hold on, let's see if I can. Wow. Y'all, this is a lot of space. And you know, they always keep the salt packets up in here. I hate those things. Y'all know AliExpress had the nerve to have a purse that look exactly like the little salt packets. I'm like, y'all doing too much. But yes, y'all, I thought this was so cute. So you can carry it at the top, and I'm different, y'all. I like different stuff. I might eventually go back and get the actual purse, and I'll show a comparison side by side. Basically, the purse is like a big Chanel purse. It's kind of like not a duffel bag, but it's like the flat purse, and it's this color. So yeah, I might get it when I want to switch it off, because I like bright stuff. Because I told myself this summer, because usually I wear the normal black and brown purses, I want to get a little color in my purses, because I don't have anything that's like bright. I need to get me a bright pink purse. Y'all, I'm trying to get in touch with my feminine side, because y'all, growing up, you couldn't catch me in pink. I used to like, that's too girly. But now I want a pink purse, y'all. For real, I wanted to find me an old school Juicy Couture purse, but the money that they asking for that, I said, baby, I'll find a dupe. Because that's one thing y'all know, your girl gonna find a dupe. And yeah, y'all, I thought this was so cute. I'm gonna link everything down below that was in today's video. That was in today's video. And let me know if you have any current favorites right now, because you know, y'all, we about to go into spring and then to summer. So it's like right now is the perfect time to buy certain things, because we're kind of like winter borderline, you know, because you know, as soon as it's hot, they're going to hike prices up on everything. So now is the perfect time to purchase stuff out of season. But then I can't even say that, because now it seems like they're bringing out sandals and stuff, and I'm just like, we're still wearing boots. Could you hold on for a minute? But yeah, now is the perfect time to get everything you need to get your sunglasses, get your sandals, get your Crocs, because you know them things go out of stock. And get everything, get your personal fans. Just get prepared, because y'all know everything sells out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.